My problem whenever I do my public talks, I never be on this podium, so-called stage. I usually enjoy being with the public because whenever I was an audience and a lot of resource person came to talk, trust me, being very frank with you, I never took them seriously. Alright? And along with me, there were many of my friends who did the same, and their irony is that they are still sitting at home jobless. Right? This is the scenario because whenever we are at home in our college, we are not serious about our career. Yes or no? Yes. Right? And for the next 30 or 45 minutes, I want two simple rules to be followed by all of you all. I understand, but you hear the word rules, it's meant to be broken. But you would love to follow these two rules. Right? There are some issues, no problem. Okay? I was also a last bencher in my college days, and we were most outstanding students. We were always found outside, okay? And there might be many like this, I do not know, because we were not professional when we were in our professional courses, being very frank with you, right? The very first rule for the next 35 minutes, if you believe and if you feel you have brushed your teeth this morning, please smile. Right? And there is a difference between smiling and laughing, right? Some people need some help. Right? Second rule, if you feel that something nice and something amazing has been spoken here, please applaud. Right? Crowd is very smart. I will give you a reason why to clap. Okay? I have given you a reason why to smile. I will give you a reason why to clap as well. Right? You can talk, no problem. But after I finish talking, because this 35 minutes can change your mindset to a certain extent. Because I believe I spread positive vibes wherever I go, right? Two things are effective when it is harder. Listen to this very carefully. Two things are effective when it is harder. One a slap, another a clap. When you're giving both, give it really harder. Okay? And you're not sitting in an IFI award show where you're sitting like this and you're clapping like. Have you seen? Right? Please. Right? Whenever something nice has been spoken, they spread some nice ideas, some nice thoughts. Take initiatives and start clapping. Right? I'll give you a reason why to clap as well. Everyone understands Hindi here? Yes. जब आप जोर से ताली बजाते हो तो क्या होता है? हाथ गरम पड़ जाते हैं, सुनो? और जब हाथ गरम पड़ जाते हैं तो क्या होता है? हाथ लाल हो जाते हैं, सुनो? और जब हाथ लाल हो जाते हैं तो क्या होता है? हाथों में पसीना निकलता है, ये सुनो? और जब हाथों में पसीना निकलता है, हाथों में खुजली होती है, सुनो? और जब हाथों में खुजली होती है, हाथों में लक्ष्मी आने की संभावना होती है। ये सुनो? So when you're clapping, clap really hard. खुजली हो तो enjoy it, please applaud. Alright? You gotta be fresh. This is the very first session. Okay? And you gotta enjoy the session. Yes or no? Okay? Alright. For the next 35 minutes, I will brief you about the venture, the enterprise of Vibrant Minds, and what are we into. Settle down. Settle down, settle down. What are we into, okay? What we offer and why we are here. How will you be benefited out of this, okay? And that is why we are here. And we'll have a short 10-minute session, okay? On personality grooming as well. Yes or no? Yes. We'll have it? Yes. Alright. Introducing us, us to you, that is KLS, I'm here. Vibrant Minds, caption goes like this, nurturing young minds, right? We are completely into the education sector, the training sector of the business, right? Moving ahead, why we are here, which is very, very important. I'm very sure everyone here, sitting here, are here for something. That somebody told you you'll get something out of the seminar, right? And every time somewhere you hear the word seminar, okay, there is no usual class. This is what our mindset was when we hear the word seminar, right? So introducing you, why we are here, to offer you with the internship program in our organization and test your managerial skills, right? There was a time in my life where everyone has written 10th standard board exams here, right? It was my 10th standard, and there were a lot of assignments and presentations given to us forcibly, right? we always had this so-called stage fear, alright? Legs shake like this, you forget words, your hand shake like this, yes or no? All these things happen. It happened with me also. But trust me, when I was in my 10th standard and I was given forcibly a subject, okay, I prepared till 11:30 in the night. 11:30 in the night, which was a very, big thing. Because I used to sleep at 9 o'clock during the school days, okay? And very next day I go to the class platform, I go, okay, and I start reading for 10 minutes, okay? It seemed like an hour for me. Pin drop silence in the entire class. Pin drop silence. I looked up, Sudha Nidre, all are sleeping, okay? I go back to my place and I sit in my place, my friend asked me, Aita, you won't believe how bad I felt. I prepared a lot, okay? No one listened to me. And that day I realized how difficult it is for all the faculties, teachers, they come, they prepare and we sleep. We don't listen to them, we don't take them seriously. Can we have a round of applause for all the faculties of Kerala Sangha? So they deserve much more. Alright? Moving ahead, what are we looking for? We're looking forward for some people who want to associate and work with us, also apply their knowledge and ideas which can help them to learn the managerial skills. Certain times you have talents, but you don't have a platform. Yes or no? We always blame we don't have an opportunity. Sir, I'm a good singer. There are no competitions in the college. Yes or no? And the leaders whom I call, who take initiatives, they create opportunities. Yes or no? Whereas me, since my school days, okay, I never got stage. I took stages. Okay? I never got stage, I took stage. This was creating an opportunity. Okay? Whenever there was an event held, I used to make sure I was a part of the organizing committee, and at the end of the day I was the MC. Okay? This was done by me. I had put more efforts towards it. I don't know how many of you all here, who are looking forward to be leaders. But let me tell you one thing, you have to acknowledge the fact you have to be a leader one day. There is no other alternative. Yes or no? You have to guide at least 2 people, in your career. You have to do it. It might be an office boy, it might be one simple employee. But you have to do it. You have to guide them. So you have to be a leader one day. Yes or no? Come on, you got to speak up. Yes or no? Yes. So the very first session, you can't go low. Right? Now, moving ahead. What is RDL? Under Vibrant Minds, we have 3 different bands. One is RDL, that is Research Design Lab. Let's have some briefing about RDL. Right? Now, RDL is the pioneer in the field of electronics and computer science based do-it-yourself projects, okay, which allows you to materialize your ideas into working models. What we do is, we give them a platform for all the engineering students, master MTech students, okay, we give them a platform to put their ideas into working models, okay. We have certain trainers, technical trainers who are masters in the field of technical, okay. They will assist the students to work, on their models. They will not do their projects, okay? The students will come up with ideas, okay? We will provide them the components required for the models or the projects, okay? And there is assistance given, okay? Whenever you're doing a problem, you're stuck somewhere, if teacher comes there and corrects you, you'll learn. If the entire thing is done on the board, you copy paste, you'll never learn anything, yes or no? So at RDL, we do the same thing, okay? We assist students when they are putting their ideas into projects, okay? And when they are stuck, we assist them. And all the components required, we provide. We alone manufacture it, okay? We guide you with instruction, tutorials and step-by-step photos which will help you thoroughly understand the concepts and the theories associated with the project, okay? Are you clear with a rough idea of what is RDL? Okay? Yes, moving ahead. About RDL, has got more than 15 years of experience in the field of embedded system development. Okay, you may not be very familiar with embedded system, but it's a technical term again. You can do some research on the same. Okay, during the period of development, has focused on various controllers like the following. They're all the technical terms. You might be very familiar with robotics. Okay, we are also working on the same, and lot many products. For example, sensors, if you see, or motherboards, GSMs, all these products, right? Also providing solutions for various customized industrial embedded application, development in industrial robotics automation. We also provide components for various industries, okay? You might be very familiar with eBay. We are having an account at eBay alone, and we are having a rating of 5, okay? We are maintaining a rating of 5 through customer satisfaction, and we usually, if you might be very familiar with Flipkart, such online portals, but they are having some different products like fashion, maybe accessories and clothes, textiles, but we are into completely technical components, okay? So the same way the products get delivered on daily basis, okay? Throughout India, okay? Yes, moving on. Coming to Gate Forum, this is the second brand introducing to you, which is as of now India's #1 institute for GATE exam training. You may not be familiar with GATE exam, you might have heard if you have friends in engineering, alright? Founded in 2005 by IIM and IIT alumni, okay? Largest organization in the field of GATE training with presence in more than 65 cities nationwide. Currently, we have about 69 centers spread across India, and 2 months back, by Brands Academy, we were awarded as the best GATE training institute in entire India. I think GATE Forum deserves a round of applause. Okay. Innovative preparation tools like eGate. eGate is a live internet-based classes. Okay. Online target in the portfolio, that is test series, mock exams. Okay. GATE exam is completely online, so you need a lot of practice, in the online test series. So we also provide mock test series also, which is preferred by most of the students in India. Okay? Trained more than 1,50,000 students since inception. Okay? 65 plus cities across India. Outstanding performance by GATE Forum. Why we were awarded as the best GATE institute? There must be some valid reason. Yes or no? Yes or no? Every year consecutively, it's been like 8 years, consecutively we are having first ranks in one or the other branches. There are different branches, streams. Okay? So consistently the results has been outstanding. Okay, and that is the reason why we were awarded recently as the best GATE training institute. Okay, so it's quite a brand throughout India, because from Delhi, if you consider till Kerala, we have our branches spread across. 69 centers across India is a big number actually. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Moving ahead. About GATE, what is this GATE exam? Why do they conduct this? Okay, you need to have knowledge about this as well. It's an entrance exam for MTech, MS, PhD research program. Okay, if you want entrance in IITs, like IIMs which you have, if you want entrance in IITs for masters, okay, and for PhD programs, you have to appear for GATE. There is no other, opening. You have to appear GATE, you have to get a rank, and only then you will get, seats in such elite institutes. Okay, and also a gateway for PSUs. You might be very familiar with companies like Indian Oil, okay, Bharat Petroleum, such public sector undertakings are also tilting, inclined towards GATE, because what happens through GATE is they are getting a cream of students, right, who clear GATE, which means they're technically very sound. Yes or no? But if they're coming to campus, they have to spend a lot. There is a lot of costing behind it. There are a lot of manpower put. They have to come to particular college. They have to recruit so many people. It is more time consuming. Okay, and they have to filter a lot of people. So here the process is very easy. Okay, so they are recruiting and registering through GATE. Okay, you have to get certain rank, they have some cutoffs. So through that they are giving jobs as well. Okay, and PSU jobs are the most preferred jobs because their packages are as high as 14 lakhs, 15 lakhs per annum for freshers. Okay, so with all the allowances given, you beat for petrol, fuel, food, house, all the allowances given, plus they give you salary also, right? Moving ahead, it's all India level exam where around 10 lakh aspirants attempt for the exams. Okay, roughly around 10 lakh people appear for the exam, and every year the number is increasing. Right? Yes, sir. Coming to CSA. Before I move to CSA, I would want to share and continue the story of the school journey. Would you want me to share or would you want to continue? Share. Okay. After that day where I was not even heard by anybody in the class, okay, I had taken an oath, I had taken a decision that there will be a day in my life where whenever I go on stage, a person sitting from this corner till that bottom corner will listen to me, and today it's a reality. Yes or no? Yes or no? When I shared my journey and my dreams with my, so-called my friends, right, who are very good at pulling your legs, okay, they asked me, what would you go in the future? What would you do? I told them I'll get paid for talking. Everyone laughed at me. Everyone mocked at me. Okay, this is how the journey was. Everyone told us, impossible. Who will pay you for talking? Okay, and today they're amazed, and there is that J feeling. Okay, with God's grace, I don't know, but I travel a lot of places, and I only deliver talks, and trust me, I get paid for talking. Trust me, I get paid only for talking. So you should have a very positive dream. You should have a very strong willpower. When people tell no, okay, you should tell why not. They tell, why me? People ask you, when you are into a trouble, people ask God, why me? Okay. There was a small change in mind, try me. Okay. When you carry this attitude, trust me, nothing can shake you in this world. Because whenever people pull your leg, remember one thing, okay? People will do this. It's a part of life, okay? Whenever people pull your leg, they're always below you. Remember this. Yes or no? I think that thought deserves a round of applause. Okay? It's an amazing thing. Doing at GSA Competition Success Academy, we are a group of experienced training and coaching professionals with extensive experience and exposure in the professional skill development and training sector, right? Our sole aim is to empower the youth and help them make a conscious effort in career building, right? We are working CRPO, clerical, RRB, SSC exam preparation, CRT program, personality grooming program and professional English. Very proud to share it with you. We had launched our first batch of personality grooming program a month back. We had a very less number of 15 students, and out of that, 3 are already placed. Okay? Very proud to share it with you. I think those students deserve an applause. You should clap for them. Very short period of time of 10 days of training of us, 10 days of aggressive training, and recently, day before yesterday, I got a text message and a call from students that, sir, very proud to share it with you that we are placed, and every response of my question, of their question, I remembered you, right? I always wanted to be a reason for others' happiness, and today, whenever they pray, whenever they think about some positive thing, they think about us, the training, the training. So that was our dream, that you should be a reason for others' happiness, you should be a reason for others' smiles, okay? Which is very difficult in today's world, right? You will never be a part of their happiness. Imagine your friend clears a paper because of you, right? Right? You will never be a part of their happiness, but you will definitely be a reason for it. Okay? And I always wanted to be a reason for this. Okay? Whenever I was in my final year engineering also, I should train my own friends on interview cracking. Trust me, I had not cracked any interview. Okay? But they used to come to me and ask how to crack an interview, how to shake hands, because nobody teaches them. Right? We were not in a master program. We were in an undergraduate program, okay, and no one was teaching us. Right? So this was very proud moment because in my second year, imagine delivering a talk for primary school teachers. I was shocked when I was invited, right? It was a very proud moment because I had delivered a talk in Noida, that is in Delhi, okay? It was not an invitation, but we had a conference and there was one of the speakers, among so many people, and then this news was spread, and in Mangalore it was a school teachers association meeting, okay? They were all old people. Trust me, they were almost like 2-3 years, they were going to retire. But every 5 minutes, I still remember this, every 5 minutes they were clapping so hard. Alright? So I never forgot to go to them, touch their feet and take their blessings. Okay? Every 5 minutes of every 1 hour, entire 1 hour, they used to clap so hard. Okay? I used to tell them, I have addressed so many student gatherings, they have not clapped this hard. And you people are so energetic, so lively, you feel like talking to them, you feel like giving something to them. Right? They used to smile so hard, so beautiful. Okay, it was a beautiful experience for me because it was the very first time I addressed such a senior gathering, and I was still a student then. Right? You go to your class, even today, to your last bench, and look front, okay, and tell me if you find even one mature student who will talk about his dreams, his career, no. His entrepreneurship journey, no. His plans, no. Nobody share their dreams, okay? This is the problem. 95% of the people don't write their dreams. People who write, work for it. They don't sleep. Yes or no? Moving ahead with professional English. This was the product. But I would want to share a small story with you regarding an opportunity. Would you give me permission for 5 minutes? Yes or no? Yes. So, very beautiful story where there was a big Swamiji, okay, who used to devote, and perform a lot of pujas, okay, and he was in a village, okay. There was a big flood in the village, big flood, okay. Water level started increasing, people in the village started running, okay. People started running for life, and people called Swamiji because he was a very well-known Swamiji in the village, okay. People called Swamiji, come along with us, else you will die, right. Swamiji told, God will save you, okay. Do not come for me, God will come and save me, okay. What happened? Water level started increasing, water level came to the knee level, okay. People started running in cycles, motorbikes which they had. People called Swamiji. Swamiji told, no, God will come and save you. Yes or no? There was only one car in the village. The person came in the car and he called Swamiji. Swamiji told, no, God will come and save me. Finally, there was a chopper coming into the village. Okay, water level almost in the roof level, and he was on the top of the roof. And the chopper people called him, Swamiji, come along with us, else you will die. Swamiji told, no, God will come and save me. And what happened? He reached God. Okay? What is the moral of the story? What is the moral of the story? God will never come in the form of Jesus, with a trunk like this as Ganpati, and Shiva with a snake like this. Okay? He came in 3, 4, 5 different forms. Swamiji didn't recognize. Yes or no? Opportunities come in disguise. Okay? You have to identify the opportunity and go for it. Yes or no? Yes or no? There is one more small story. You can applaud for it. You can applaud for it. There is one more small story of a starfish. You might have heard this, I don't know. But then, whenever I go, I share this because it's a very beautiful story. Very small story, 1 minute. There was a person who was walking on the beach and he found a lot of starfish on the shore. Okay? Just to crawl, it was almost dying. Okay? He used to pick every starfish and he used to throw to the water. Okay? Every time he walked on the shore, he picked every starfish and he threw to the water. There was a person observing him. Okay? When you do something and you don't do something, people observe. Yes or no? You do something, they'll tell you. You don't do something, again they'll tell you. Okay? Now, this man was continuously doing this and people started, this fellow was observing him for 5-10 minutes. And after 10th minute, he cannot control. Okay? He couldn't control and he went to him and asked, what are you trying to do? What difference will it make? Okay? What are you trying to do? What difference will it make? He didn't utter a word. He went forward. He picked another starfish. He threw it and he told it made a difference to that one. Yes or no? I think that deserves a round of applause. हम लोग हर बार बहुत सारी चीजों में कंजूसी करते हैं, right? And आजकल ताली बजाने में भी बहुत कंजूसी करते हैं. Whenever there are presentations of our own classmates and friends, they finish their presentation. Why should we clap? कुछ किया उसने? कौन सी बड़ी बात है? हम लोग भी करने वाले हैं. But if at all you are going there and somebody applauds for you, don't you feel good? Yes or no? When people appreciate you, don't you feel good? Yes or no? How frequently or how often do we appreciate others? Do we do it? No. Your friend taught you something? No, thank you. He's our friend. Your faculty taught you something amazing you never understood till now. Today faculty taught you, understood. When was the last time you went to your faculty and told, thank you sir, because of you understood today? Do we do it? No. Because we don't understand the importance of them. What would happen if they were not here? There was no faculties. You had to study by yourself. What would happen? You would never be here. Right? Do you understand how blessed you are? This is the irony. Okay? There are so many people in this world who cannot talk, who cannot walk, who cannot see, who cannot even smell properly. And we are given everything, including pocket money, motorbikes, mopeds, everything is given to us. And still, do we make the best out of it? If you leave this college tomorrow, some people are from, how many are from final year here? Final year. How many are from second year, first year? Once you leave the college, how many people will remember you in the college? Tell me. For a good thing, definitely. Definitely, organizing committee fest, yes. But other than that, I'm not talking about that. Some general aspect. Okay? How many people will remember you, and when they look at you, they welcome with a smile? Will they do it? Will they do it? Wonderful. I think you should applaud for yourself. Come on, everyone. This is something I never found in many colleges. This is something I never found in many colleges. Okay, once you're an alumni, you come down, okay, there is no special feeling. People don't know, who are you? Show me your ID card. Alumni, what is the proof? What's going to ask you? Trust me, even today when I visit my college, even the watchman, okay, will make sure he smiles at me. Because I call him sir. Okay? Respect matters a lot. Right? Even if you're sweeping, how well you sweep matters. So no? Even if you're a sweeper, you should sweep that well that you are the best. So any work you do, you should give your 200%. Yes or no? I think some applause for entire group. So giving us an opportunity giving vibrant minds an opportunity, to introduce Vibrant Minds to you all. And we also wanted to share a small thing to you that we are running IBPS PO batch as well as SBI PO batches. And for the next 8 months, okay, it's a notification. For the next 8 months, about 40,000 job vacancies will be created in the banking sector. Okay, 40,000. And every exam, about 20 lakh people write exam. But out of that, do you know how many people prepare? You know? Roughly 2 lakh people. They actually go for coaching. Okay, they go for test series. They prepare with books. Rest thing, chalo yaar, tukka maar lete hain. So only exams we cleared, tukka mare. Ye kaun si badi baat? This is the mindset. Okay. So such exams need preparation. Okay. So we had a conversation with our placement officer, and he was very happy that if students are interested in the college, if there are good numbers, we will definitely have the classes at the campus itself, so that even pricing is very nominal at the minimal level. Okay, including the books and the test series. So we would want to have some response from IBPS batches as well. Okay, but other than that, I would want, how many are interested for internship program? And I am currently focusing on marketing. We are having a conversation with some of the banks for finance people. Okay, we are having a conversation with Karnataka Bank as well as Vijaya Bank. So we are waiting their response for finance projects. Okay, so currently we are focusing on marketing. Okay, so how many are interested for marketing? Please raise your hands. Only interested students. Okay, and I promise you one thing, because I started my journey as a sales executive for the product called as Projectors. If you see, what is this? Okay, and I covered about 200 colleges in one single month. Okay, my target was, I think, 30 billings, but I could only achieve 3. I faced a lot of rejections, but trust me, every time I visit every college today, the principal smiles at me. I have left a mark. Okay, even though the billing has not happened, I go back today and they smile at me. Right? I ensure that. Anyways, so marketing is a very tough task. I have also experienced it. Okay, Nitin sir also has experienced it. Okay, he specializes in marketing in MBA. So I have not done any masters. I declare it. Okay, but I have done practical MBA. In the past 4 years, I am only into marketing. I'm only into talking. I'm only into promotions. So I can give you practical MBA. If you ask me books, I don't know. If you ask me theories, I don't know. You ask me how to do it, I'll tell you. धंधा कैसे करना है मैं बताता हूँ आपको. Okay? So only interested students will stay back, but others, before they leave, I want you all to do a small exercise, because you have been patient for so long. 35 minutes in one single place, listening to somebody like me. Come on, it's not a joke, right? Everybody raise your right hand like this. Turn it back. Shabashi to all of you for patiently listening me and bearing me. One more last exercise. Hands, both the hands wide open. Get it closer like this. Face your face. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.